watch the time. The time it's reducing. Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's almost finished. It's almost finished.
I made it this far.
So when I turned 16, my dad got me a Volkswagen. And now...
Really?
Yes, that's why That's why
Wow, I'm not teasing you, believe me. I'm not teasing you.
like, where are you? Like, but
I'm gonna teach you how to pronounce the letter or the sound, the H. Do you imagine yourself like a zombie and acted like a zombie?
Okay.
Do you know the zombie? What sound? Like
Yeah.
from the throat.
Yeah, right. But from the throat, I can do that one.
Yeah, like Ahmed.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, like, I don't know if I can do it genuinely. Like, Ahmed.
Almost. Yeah.
Is that right? I swear it just doesn't sound right when I say it.
it's synonym. Arrogant.
I'm very good at English.
I know, I see that.
I don't need Cambly anymore.
You don't need it. I'll see you later. Bye.
Be fluent in 5 days.
Yeah. Okay. So I was answering this question to you, and my husband is sitting here, and he goes, "Someone asked you that question," and I was like, he was not serious. He wasn't serious, but.
She said yes, then we were engaged, basically.
Of course you said yes, yeah.
I get it. You don't want to tell the story. That's fine.
I was still fighting with my wife. I won't back down.
There you go.
Here's the sentence.
There you go. Perfect. Yep. I won't back down. Yep. After a while, you might get tired and you might want to back down.
Maybe she will win someday. So, the bottle of water equal like 6 lira. What about the ekmek?
No.
Ekmek. What about the bread? Sorry.
It's 150. 150 for
Really?
ekmek.
Really?
Yeah.
Homemade and very delicious.
Okay.
And we used to eat it in celebrations, like in
Like Eid.
I don't know, like Eid, Bayram.
Bayram.
Bayram. Sometimes I forget in English, so maybe my Turkish helped me.
I didn't know you spoke so much Turkish, actually. You take a break.
I was on a vacation.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like you went somewhere on vacation?
Yeah, I visited many places. You can
Where'd you
imagine.
go?
Wow, I visited many places. Like I visited the living room, the guest room, the
Good
bedroom.
luck.
I've been many times in the bathroom. Where should I go with this
I
pandemic?
really thought you went somewhere. I'm like, oh my god, he's vacationing during a pandemic.
Yeah, we can call it like this.
Okay. Wait, seriously, so you didn't go anywhere?
No, actually, I took a break because sometimes we face difficulties to find a time to practice English or any other things. So I took a break. I was collecting myself. I was resting, and that's a good things that I've done before, because I have started my practice English quite a year ago.
About a year ago, you started practicing speaking English, you mean? Or
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
oh, okay. Oh.
Yeah. So